our channel, My Dad's a Science Teacher.
You may notice that we got a new logo and song. I hope you like it.
So I got a new spacer in, so if I'm talking a little bit funny, that's why.
We are in the garage because the experiment we're doing might set off a smoke alarm at school.
So today we are going to be making smoke rings with an air cannon. Hey guys, welcome back to the lab. No!
2, 1, go.
For this demonstration, we are using a fog machine, fog solution, Sharpie marker, scissors, a shower curtain, a drill, bungee cords, and cups.
What about that huge blue thing beside you?
And a trash can.
Hey!
Hello.
So that might look a little bit weird, but
Back up.
Hello.
face to
Back up. There you go.
through what the cannon would. So our next step is to fill this, which is the fog machine, with this fog solution. Already done that. Turn it on. So we wait.
What has to happen now?
Inside the fog machine is distilled water and glycerin. It goes over a heating coil and gains enough energy to evaporate. And then on the way out of the fog machine, it it loses enough energy to go through condensation and becomes a fog. Good. So the next thing you need to do is fill the air cannon with smoke. You ready?
Yep. It's going. Don't do it. Yep, it's going. Smells horrible. Get away from me. Ready? Ready good?
Done?
The way we shoot this is by smacking the shower curtain. And that forces the smoke to come out. When we smack the shower curtain, it creates high pressure inside the trash can. And the smoke wants to come out a place of low pressure, and that would be the hole.
Do it again.
Bernoulli's principle describes how fluids behave. And it says when a fluid, like air, moves fast, it creates a low pressure. And a low pressure inside the ring is what holds the ring together.
Yeah, you get out. Let's see how far they can go. Oh, wow, that hit me in the face.
What?
Yeah.
That was awesome. You can really feel these.
I know.
Yeah.
You can really feel them hit you.
You feel this?
I feel that. Yep. And smell it.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We should have another one coming out soon.
Don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.